Hey everyone, are you want to build a website like remove.bg but have no coding idea? No problem. Today, I'll show you how to build your own AI-powered background remover website in just 5 minutes, with zero coding, using the power of AI. So, let's start. But if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video. First, open any browser, Chrome, Firefox, or whatever you prefer. Then, search for DeepSeek. Click on the first website that shows up. Once you're on the DeepSeek homepage, click on Start Now to begin. Now here's the magic part. I've prepared a ready-to-use prompt for you. Its link is in the description below. Simply copy it. Come back here and paste it into the input box. Once you've pasted it, hit enter. That's it. The AI will now start working its magic. Now DeepSeek will generate 3 files for your website. But here, it provides instructions for using it. First, let's get your API key. Copy this and paste it into a new tab. Click on the first website. This will take you to the API key generation page. Here, click on Get API. After sign up, click on API keys and then click on New API key. Then write a name for your API. It can be anything you want, like BG Remover. And hit Generate. Once the API key is generated, copy it and paste it into a new text document. Save this document somewhere safe. You'll need it in a moment. Once the files are ready, copy them one by one and paste them into your code editor, like VS Code or even Notepad. Make sure to save each file with the correct name. Index.html. Style.css. and script.js. Open the text document in which you paste the generated API key. Copy this key. Next, open the script.js file. Here you'll see a placeholder for the API key. Replace this placeholder with the API key you saved earlier in your text document. Save the file once you've added your API key. Now, open the index.html file in your browser. You'll see your background remover website live and working. Upload an image. And watch the background disappear. You can download it by click on Download button. See, it's that simple. No coding, no hassle, just AI doing all the heavy lifting for you. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on hosting this website for free, comment "Host Now" below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.